Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are having a great time spending last few days of 2023 with your family and friends and waiting for 2024 with grand plans. Okay, before I get into today's content, I want to tell you two stories. Say you are working on a project, you work day in day out on that, few days of efforts are went in, finally deployment is successful. You are happy, stakeholders are happy, they say thanks, that's it. And in second story, say you get a call at 2 a.m. in the morning. Somebody tells you like it's a production issue, we need you immediately on the call. You join the call, you look at what the issue is, you figure out in few minutes, you figure out that there is some grants missing, you just give that grants. I just want to tell you that this is a simple work for you, you finish it in few minutes, that's it. And tomorrow morning you get a lot of appreciation emails, so many accolades. Have you ever wondered why this happens? And I'm sure like you relate to this, or few of you relate to this. I definitely do. So why this happens? Because our technical work is important, but the most critical thing is the impact that works create. So with that in mind, I designed today's content in a bit different way. I want to show you one case study, and let me know this first time I'm trying it, so please let me know how you think about this, if you like it or don't like it, whatever your feedback, right? I will be really appreciative of your feedback if you put that in comment. So today's case study will talk about Autodesk Fusion, which is cloud-based computer-aided design platform, and how they use AWS services. All our services we are familiar with. They use EC2 instances, Elastic Container Service or Container Platform, and AWS Batch, and few more. So they use our familiar services and how those services help them to transform their business. Please watch this till the end, enjoy this, and let me know how you think about this.
What if there was a way to explore multiple design options based on specified constraints that could result in innovative designs and a faster time to market? This isn't a mere hypothesis, but the reality of generative design. But to facilitate this, a scalable and high-performance cloud environment is needed. Here's where the journey of Autodesk Fusion begins, with its adoption of Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Autodesk Fusion is a software that's transformed the lives of over 100 million people worldwide. It's an all-in-one solution that combines design, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, and manufacturing software in a single cloud-based offering for product development. But as you can imagine, such a comprehensive solution requires a robust and scalable platform to operate effectively. Enter AWS, the cloud environment that Autodesk Fusion turned to facilitate its generative design. It was a strategic decision that opened the doors to a more flexible and high-performing cloud environment. Autodesk Fusion started utilizing AWS services such as Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon ECS, and AWS Batch. These services provided the flexibility and scalability needed to support the generative design process. The results were transformative. Take, for example, PX Moving. This is a company that specializes in autonomous mobility devices. By using Autodesk Fusion's generative design, they could optimize their robobus's interior decoration in just 1 to 2 months. This is the power of a scalable, high-performance cloud environment. It allows for the rapid exploration and implementation of design options, leading to innovative solutions and faster times to market. But Autodesk Fusion's journey with AWS doesn't stop here. In fact, their long-term strategy is to host all their solutions in the cloud, leveraging AWS for flexible compute power and exploring new technologies. So, what's the takeaway from this journey? Autodesk Fusion's adoption of AWS for a scalable and high-performance cloud environment has revolutionized their product development process. It's allowed for a more efficient and innovative approach to design and engineering. The adoption of AWS has not only facilitated generative design, but also set the stage for future technological advancements. In conclusion, Autodesk Fusion's journey towards adopting AWS is a testament to the power of a robust cloud environment. It's a story of how flexibility, scalability, and high performance can facilitate innovation and efficiency in design and engineering. It's a story of how AWS has become an integral part of Autodesk Fusion's strategy for generative design and future growth. And it's a story that's still being written as Autodesk Fusion continues to leverage AWS for its product development process. For AWS cloud engineers like us, The key takeaway is to comprehend the utilized services, draw inspiration to explore the realm of possibilities. I will include a link to the case study in the description. The impact our cloud architectures deliver extends beyond mere technical implementations.
You learned something new today. If so, please like this video, share, leave your comment so that I know this content is helping you. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's now. Okay, see you again with yet another exciting tutorial about AWS. Keep learning, keep sharing what you learn, and thanks for watching.